Hello, so this is a tutorial on how to do exponential regression using the calculator on this website from Blackboard that I posted. So I'm going to go over the example 424 from the week 12 notes, which is this one right here. And I know this is my key, but I'm just going to go over these question numbers with you. So for part A, when it says find an exponential equation that best represents the data above using exponential regression, and it shows you this step by step, this is for you people that do not have the calculator. So obviously you can't follow that step by step in the calculator. You're going to use this calculator with that link that I sent you instead, and you're not going to follow that step by step. You're going to do what I show you through here. So right here is your x values. This is where you're going to type in your x values. Over here is where you're going to type in your y values. Don't worry about the words explanatory or response. Those don't really come into play. Okay, you just need to know that it's x and y. So I'm going to go back to this, and I see that x is my top row. So I'm going to type in 2, 4, 8, 14, 20 in that first x column. So 2, 4, whoops, hit enter after each one. So 2, 4, 8, I think the next one is 14. Let me just look real quick. 2, 4, 8, yep, then 14, enter, and then 20. So those are from my X row, again, from question 424 in the week 12 notes. And now I have to type in my Y values, which is that second row, and you have to type them in perfectly, so make sure you're typing in exactly what you see. My first number is 44.7, enter. Then 36.8, enter, and so on. So I'm just going to keep typing these in. If you need more time to type them in, please just pause the video for a second and continue typing them in. But I want to stress to you at this point, once you have them all typed in, you just want to double check that you typed in your numbers correctly, because if you did not type in your numbers correctly, everything could be thrown off or completely wrong. Okay, so we should have all of them typed in at this point. We're just going to scroll down and hit calculate. So I can't write on it. So see at the very top where it says regression equation. You're not going to worry about the graphs at all. There was honestly an option right here that unchecks it. If you don't want the graph there, you don't even have, well, I guess it doesn't delete it, but you don't have to worry about that at all. But right here where it says regression equation, that's your answer. But you have to round it to what it tells you to round it to in the problem, which is the nearest hundredth. So if I go back to this, see again in the directions I have it circled in green, it says round to the nearest hundredth. So you're going to take that big long number, the 47.9696, well, this one's 97, and it'll round it up so that 9 in the third place after bumps that 6 up to a 7. And then in my other number, that 0.944, that third 4 is going to not bump that second 4 up, and it's going to stay 0.94. So it'll leave this right here boxed in as your final answer once you have it rounded. And that's how you use this calculator and get the answer for exponential regression.